Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bank of America with the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start keeping track of your finances and you use Bank of America. How do you actually go ahead and link your Bank of America account to your NerdWallet app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, click on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner, then click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions, and then click on Add Your First Account. So once you've done so, it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services. So accept those, then click on Continue as Guest, find the Bank of America app, which is on the right-hand side, and then from here, it's going to prompt you to actually log into the Bank of America app so that you can select which accounts you want to be linked to the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bank of America account to the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.